this balloon, you're going to use 4 260s. In this case, I use 3 purple violet and 1 spring lilac, and also a 5-inch white round. All right, so blow one of those up, about 6 finger lengths left, and the next one about the same. And for that third balloon, for the main body, you just need about that much. And this one's going to be an accent color. Don't need too much there, right about there. And then this is going to be for the eyes. So blow it up to the size of eyes you want. We'll be splitting that in half. All right, grab one of those purple balloons there. And we're going to start by doing some legs. It's about 4 fingers across there. And then do a 1-inch bubble. Pinch twist that. Make another twist right there. About the same size as the one we just created earlier. And then do a 1-inch bubble. Pinch twist that. All right, that's going to be one of the legs there. So we'll grab the second balloon. It's the same size there as the first. We're going to do the same exact thing. So get the dimensions the same if you can. It's about 4 finger lengths. And then do that 1-inch bubble. Pinch twist that. And then do that next section the same as the first one you did. Also 4 finger lengths across. And then do another pinch twist with the 1-inch bubble there. Make it look just like that. All right, now grab the first one you had there, and we're gonna twist those together right above those last pinch twists we did on both. Just squeeze them together and twist. And those are gonna be the back legs of the spider. Now go across to where the front of the spider is gonna be. So you can decide how long you want it to be. I'm going about 7 to 8 finger lengths across. Twist right there. And then I go ahead and push that through just to lock it in place. All right, we're gonna do the head next, which is a little loop twist. I'm gonna pick that longer balloon just to give ourselves more balloon to work with. Squeeze first, and then make a small loop twist right here. And that's where the eyes are going to go through later on. Right about that, wide. That's good right there. All right, now we're going to finish off the front legs there, and we're going to match them the same as the back. Just like there. So we're going to do a bubble. It's 4 fingers across. Do a 1-inch bubble and pinch twist it. And then one more bubble that matches the upper part of the arm. Or you can make that last section a little smaller than the upper part if you want. And then take off the excess of the balloon there. And then tie that off. It's really important so the air doesn't come out. All right, now you're going to repeat the same exact process on this other side here. So go ahead and twist right there. And then make a 1-inch or a little bit smaller bubble. Pinch twist that. And then finish it off so it matches the other side. Another bubble that size. And then go up further on the balloon and then break it off. That way you have enough balloon to tie with. Go ahead and tie that off. All right, should look just like that. Now we're going to grab our third darker purple, which is the purple violet. All right, now we're going to do the legs again. This is for the center, so make them the same size as you just did for the other two set of legs. Do that pinch twist right there. And at this point, you're actually going to push it through the center of that spider body that we just made. So grab that. All right, now you're going to push it through on that end, right through the center. There we go. I like to just match it up with the other legs. And then that way you know where to twist on that right side. And then make your 1-inch bubble and pinch twist. And then just make that last section of the balloon there the same size as the other legs. Go up further, break it off. And go ahead and tie right there. Go ahead and make your adjustments. Situate it all around so it looks good. All right, we're getting close. Okay, we'll grab that 5-inch white round, about that size. We're just going to twist that in half so there's 2 equal parts on each side for the eyes. Twist it right down the middle. Get it nice and even. Then I just like to wrap that nozzle around a couple times, lock it in. All right, now you're going to grab that main body we just made and push one of those eyes through that loop twist, which is the head. Depending on how big you make the eyes, might be a little tricky, but you can push it through there. All right. It's looking good. So remember, you can add more legs right there and there, because there's really 8 legs on spiders. So if someone really wants you to, you can add legs there. All right, we're going to grab this last balloon here as a little detail. So I like to use a different color than the main body if possible. And this is just going to go on either side of that center part of the body. So lock it in there and that tail, those 2 pinch twists are. And then run it across that center balloon. And then twist it into the right length, and then twist it around the neck there, right underneath the eyes. Okay, you're going to bring it back around, and then just repeat the same exact process. I like to twist a bit there, okay? And now you're going to draw some eyes on, and you'll be well on your way. All right, so that's what it looks like there with the accent balloons on there. And you guys just made a spider. Nice work.